Good afternoon to you all, and welcome to this physics practical class. It is based on the waec specimen that the students are going to do for this year, being 2023, and we are going to consider the question 1. And that question 1, we will be provided with a knife edge and some masses. We have 100 gram mass. We also have 10 gram mass. We have 20 gram mass. Do you understand that? Now, before we proceed, although we also have, they will be provided with string, that is a thread, and we will also be provided with the retort stand. Do you understand that? So we have the thread. This is the thread I am going to use. We also have the spring. This is a spring. This is a spring here. I was using it before. I'm provided with a spring. This is to tell you that this practical is based on elasticity as well as equilibrium of forces. Do you understand me? So, I am going to carry out this practical for you. But please, don't forget to press the subscribe button and also to like this video. And don't forget to also share it on whichever platform you want to share it on. Do you understand that? Now, let's come back to business. These are the things we are provided with, and also your meter rule. This meter rule, before you proceed, you must make sure that you take the center of gravity of the meter rule by balancing it on the knife edge. You understand what I mean? And if you want to balance it, please look up. It is very easy. You will carry it out by balancing it horizontally. Sometimes it may balance on 50 on the dot. Sometimes it may be more than 50, which now depends on the weight of the meter rule. Exactly. Maybe one side is heavier than the other side, or one side is lighter than the other side, as the case may be. So all what you need to do is to balance the meter rule horizontally. Do you understand that? After balancing it, take note of the balance point. My own here is 50 on the dot. 50 on the dot. Are you getting me? Now, I've removed it. We still have to use the knife edge. Are you following me? Now, what we are going to do is to use our thread. Please listen. Before you use the mass is provided. This one is spring balance. Use your spring balance to measure each of the masses given. Now, this is 100 gram mass. I repeat myself, 100 gram mass. Now, you will place this here so that you can measure it. And don't forget to set this to zero scale. Are you following me? Set it to 0 scale. Then place your mass here. Place your mass here. Make sure you place it very well, and it is as it is now. This is 10. This is 50 gram. 50 gram. It is on 50. Directly on 50. So measure it and make sure it is on 50. Direct. You understand what I mean? Then, that is by the way. We have 20 gram here. Also take the measurements and ensure it is on 20. That is 20 gram. Are you getting me? So that is 20 gram. Remove it. Put your gram, make sure it is on 10. Make sure it is on 10. That is 10 gram. Hope you are following me. Now, we are done with measuring the masses. And the reason for measuring this is because there are some masses that may have worn out. Do you understand me? They might have lost their weight. So, it is best to measure before using such mass. Do you understand that? If the mass, maybe it has corroded, that means it has rusted. At the end of the day, it might lose weight. So you must make sure you measure before carrying out the experiment. Now, let's go. I will use my loop, which is a thread. I will tie thread to this. This is what I'm going to put. I'm going to attach to the metal loop. Are you following me? Now, again, I need to take another thread. I need to take another thread so that I can attach the spring, the spiral spring. I can attach it to the third stand. I don't want to pin it here, so it's better I use thread to tie the spiral spring to the retort stand. Are you with me, please? Now I have done that. Please follow me. Let's go to the practical in proper. Now, I have my weight hanger. This is weight hanger, and this weight hanger is 100 gram. I repeat myself. The weight hanger is 100 gram. Do you understand me? Now, you place your knife edge. I'm supposed to put it here, direct. But the thing is, if I should place a mass hanger, it's going to touch the floor. That is the workbench. So, I will support it with an object to take it high a bit. Are you with me? Now, let's go with the practical. Now, I will place this on, I will place it on the metal rule. I will place it on the metal rule. And please listen. And place it on 10 gram, on 10 centimeter. That means you are placing it on 90. You know, the metal rule is of dual type. The other side 1 to 100, this side 1 to 100, as the case may be. So you place it on 90 and place this one on 80. Depends on what is given to you anyway, because sometimes they might change. Now place this one on 80. They might tell you to place it on 10, but I'm placing my own on 20. Now let's go. Take a thread again. Take your thread. Are you with me? And tie this 100 gram mass. We're going to place it here, but let me just tie this. I'll tie it to the metal rule so that we can be able to place the 100 gram mass. Remember, don't forget your center of gravity. I'm going to cut this, please. Because if you did not cut it, I didn't have scissors here. If you leave this thing flying, it might affect your reading. That is why you must cut it. Make it plain. Then place it there. You are placing this 100 gram mass on the center of gravity. Remember, you have gotten the center the other time. Am I correct? Place it on the center of gravity. Mine is 50. Yours may not be 50. So we are placing it on 50. Is that taken? And don't forget, this one is on 20. Shall we go, please? Shall we go, please? Now, we have this is my weight hanger as well. This one is 20 gram. I am going to place it here. I am going to place it here. It's going to be here. Let me tie the string first. Let me tie the string. Are you with me, please? Don't mind me using teeth to cut it. Now, this is your 20 gram. Normally, it is possible to use a sellotape, that's a paper tape, to tape this one on 50. As in, you can tape the 100 gram mass directly on 50. Am I making sense? It is possible. And also, this, you can leave it by using the weight hanger. Are you with me? Now, this is the setup. This is just the setup. Don't forget, this is how you are going to do it. And once again, don't forget to tap the subscription button, subscribe to the channel. Is that taken? Subscribe to the channel and like. Don't forget to like as well. All right. Now listen. I have my stopwatch here. I'm using this phone as stopwatch. Now, I want to start the practical normally. Are you with me? Now, all what you need to do is very simple. What you need to do is very, very simple. Just remember that we were given 40 gram. We have 40. We have 50, 60, 70, and 90. Now listen. Your table is going to look like this before we start the practical. Don't forget, there is something you must not forget, and it is important. Don't forget this serial number. It is important. You know, we are going to five different experiments. Now listen. We are provided with mass, and you can leave it in gram, or if you want to convert it to kilogram, then you divide what you have by 1,000. It is allowed. You can say, now here we have 40 plus 20. That is we have 60 gram. This 60, if you like, you can divide it by 1,000 to make it 0.06. It will not become kg. Instead of putting gram here, it will be kg. Do you understand that? Now, but I am leaving my own in terms of grams. Now listen. Are you with me, please? Now with this, we have 60. Then the next one will be 70, 80, 90, then 100. Is that taken? Now let's go. Then we have, after the mass, we have T1, small t1, measured in seconds. If you fail to put the unit, failure to put that unit is going to be a kind of losing of some marks. So don't forget to put the unit. It is important. Is that taken? That is T1. Then we have T2. Also in second, don't forget, it is important to put it. Then we have t, small t again, which is t1 plus t2 divided by 2. That is the average. Also in second. Are you with me? Then we have capital letter T, which is small letter t, divided by how many oscillations are you taking it? Is it 20 oscillations? Is it 10 oscillations? Then that is going to say for that. Then we have t squared, also in second raised to power 2. Am I correct? This is t squared, which is second raised to power 2. And this one is in gram, that is our mass. Now let's go. Now listen. Don't forget what I've said before. It is important to leave that as, the serial number. Once you have your serial number, that will tell you the numbers of experiments you are going to take. Am I making sense? Am I making sense? All right, we are ready for the practical. Now, I want to start the first one, which is 60 grams. Now, that 60 grams, we have 20 here already. So you're going to add 2 20s to that. That will make that to be 60. The initial 20 plus the other 40 you added, that's 60. Now, look at me, please. I've told you before, this is combination of elasticity and equilibrium of forces. Now, I want to count. If you release your hand, you observe. Once it is going up, down, that is 1. Up, down, that's another 1. Up, down, that is another 1. Is that clear? Don't just count when it is going up 1, down 2. It is not allowed. It is not a complete oscillation. But once it is to and fro, that is 1. To and fro, that is 2. Am I making sense? Alright, let's go. Now, start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, with this, I got 11.73. 11.73. I will take it again as T2. T2. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here I got 10.80. Please, let me take that first one again. I want to take that first one again. Let me take this again. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 10.9. 10.90. Don't just put 10.9. Mine is 10.9. But don't just put 10.9 and leave the other one. Work according to 2 decimal places. It is important, please. 2 or 3 decimal places. But I'm going to work my own according to 2 decimal places. Are you with me? Now, we are going to add 10 gram to make it 70. Add 10 gram, that is 70. Leave this one static. This one is static on 50, which is on the center of gravity. Do you understand that? Now we are going. We are going. 1, 2, ready. 1, 2, ready. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 11.40. 11.40. Now, we'll take it again. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 11.50. 11.50. Did you understand that? Now, we are going to add another 10 to it. Add another 10. But what I'm going to do is, I will remove this 10 and add 20. That is 80. Am I making sense, please? That is 80. Now we are going. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This is 11.8. 11.80. 11.80. Are you with me? Are you with me? Now I want to take it again. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 11.70. 11.70. Now I'll add 10 to make it 90. That is 90. We are going. Reset. We are going. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 12.10. 12.10. Did you get that? Now, that is by the way. Let me just carry out this, and I will use make this as the last one. Please listen. 1, 2, ready. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 12.00. 0.00. Now, I want to leave the rest. The rest, you can easily get that. Now with this, if you add these two, you know we're going to add these two together divided by 2 to give us this value. Are you with me, please? Let's say 10 plus 10 is 20. 9 plus 8 is 17. That is 21.7. This is 21.7. Is that okay? This one is 21.7. Please. 21.7 divided by 2. 0.7 divided by 2. If we divide it by 2, 21 divided by 2 is 10. Remainder 1. 17 divided by 2 will give us what? That will give us 8. Remainder 1. 1 divided by 2 will give us 5. So 10.85. If you now divide this by 20, you put the answer there. And square it will give you this. Please, the practical is all about this. Are you with me? Don't forget to press the subscription button. Subscribe to this and also like. And also comment. Should in case if you have any question that you want me to attend to, or you have anything at all, any suggestion, please, you can comment so that at the end of the day, we'll use that to work. Is that taken? I will answer to all your questions. And don't forget as well, share this to whichever platforms you want to share it to. And because we have many students out there that does not know how to do this. And in order for them to know, this video will help them. This video will help millions of students writing waec and writing this physics exam. Is that taken? Please take note. And as well, I'm going to show you, this one is just question 1. I will tell you how you can come about question 3 in our next video. And also how we are going to come about question 2 in our next video. Is that taken? Have a special day. And don't forget to subscribe. Is that taken? Subscribe. I'm talking to you. Subscribe. Subscribe now. Do you understand that? Comment and also like it. Thank you and good day to you all.